Hey, we were given a Galaxy 8 watch. We're going to show you how to set it up and how to use it. Howdy, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. Hey, we were given this Galaxy 8 watch, and we're going to go through it, get it all set up, show you how to use it, see how good it works, okay? All right, here's the watch we were given. The watch cases goes around the watch. Watch bands, we got a bunch of different colors and stuff. We're going to go into it and set up the watch now. Go over here on the side, push that little button right there, and the watch will come on. There it comes, and it will download the Galaxy Wearable App, which you're going to use to set everything up. All right, let's charge this little guy up. What you do is you set it over onto the magnetic charger right there. It comes up on it. There it goes. It's starting to charge. It'll come up in just a minute and tell you what percentage it's on and all. There we go, 2%. I'm assuming that when it's through charging, that will say 100% and probably go away. So we'll let it charge and show you how it does, okay? Well, you can see it's 100%. It hasn't gone off, but it says 100%. Took approximately an hour to charge it, so there we go. I think it's time to go use it. All right, we're downloading and installing the Wearables app. There it is. Let's start the setup here. Check the number on your watch and the number on the app. Make sure they match. Alright, set it up for myself or a child. I'm going to set it up for myself, okay? Set it up for a child, there's a lot of things they can't do on it, so. Have to allow it to accept a lot of stuff here. Calendars, logs, notifications. Just to hit OK and let it do it. You can, I guess you could tell it you don't want to do any of those, but just agree and let it go. Get ready to connect. Give it a little time here. It's connecting the app to your watch. 14%. It's working on it. There we go. It's taking off now. All right, for your review, terms and conditions, you have to accept all that or it won't work, okay? Automatic updates and things like that. Alright, it's looking for automatic backup here if you want to do that. Checking for smart switch. That'll help you transfer things to and from your watch and phone. May already have that on there, but if you don't, it'll download it for you. There we go. Uses these permissions. You can deny those, but then it probably won't be able to transfer stuff back and forth. So set your wearing. Let's see what this little guy does, okay? Wearing preferences. You wear it on your left wrist, that's where I wear it. Buttons, position on the right, yeah. Track the stress and vascular system. Alright, here we go. Understand your sleep for better rest, okay. Let y'all read that, talking about your sleep. Take your running to the next level. Now, I'm not a runner. I used to do some of that when I was younger, but running is pretty good exercise. Help in an emergency. All right, yeah. All right, this is where it sets up your SOS stuff and things like that. Now, it'll go to your phone. If you already have it set up on your phone, it will go get your emergency contacts and stuff and set them up there for you. Permissions, SOS. I have it set up on my phone, so it'll grab them. Same contacts and all. Finishing up. It's saving stuff right here, okay, that you've already set in here. There we go, finishing up. You're all set. Wayne's Watch, here we go, look at that, Wayne's Watch 8. Here we can set up some of the watch settings and things. Modes and routines, sounds and vibrations. So I'm not a big fan of vibrations on the phone, so I may turn those off. But you can leave them on if you want. You can set up ringtones and things like that. System sounds. Looking for something else? Here's your sounds. Go through some of the sounds here. Here we can set up notifications, whatever you want to be notified about, sounds and vibrations and all on it. Smart device selection, always show both. Help with notifications. Here we can set up displays. Let's see what we got. Brightness, always on. You can change all that kind of stuff if you want to. Raise wrist to wake. I'm not a big fan of that. It wakes me up in the night if I move my arm and it turns the light on my watch. So, always on. Turn off that wrist to wake. All right. Screen time out, 15 seconds. You can change that if you want to. Show last app. Font size. There you go. Change the font sizes. All this is in your display. Here we can set up our buttons and stuff on here and gestures and whatever you want to do here. Double press, long press, that kind of stuff. Short press, double pinch. I'll do another video and show you those double pinch and shake and knocks and that kind of stuff. We're not going to do it in this one, but this is what it is right here. Shake, I've got it off right now. You can make it shake to answer a phone or disconnect. Knock, knock. That looks like it's a raise the wrist instead of a knock. But I guess I got to call it something. Here's where you set up your health, where it watches things for you. Heart rate, stress, sleep. Updates to Samsung Health. Now that's going to be on your phone, so you got to keep that updated too. Here it's going to set up your emergency contacts. See, I already have my 2 children on there. They took that from my phone, so it added it to the watch too, okay? Emergency SOS, require swipe to call, emergency number to call, and that kind of stuff, okay? Here's where you set up your Samsung wallet. Now you already have it on your phone. You can put it on your watch too, I guess here, so no need password, your data is secure, allow. Now I won some rock concert tickets a while back and they sent them to me. I had to put them in the wallet, so. Here is the device care, all right. See what we got there. Yeah, that's for battery and stuff like that, so. This is your general right here, not lieutenant, captain, that kind of stuff. It's just general things on your phone. How to reset it and all. Lane's watch. Find your watch, tips. Locate your device. This will help you find your watch if you lose it. I've never had that problem, but you never know. Could happen. Add the home screen if you want to. See, it tracks where your watch is right there. This is kind of like Google Maps, checking out where you're driving, but it's showing you where your watch is. Okay, here's how you change the watch bands right there. Turn it over. On the back, see those 2 little buttons right there, and right there? What you want to do is push that little button right there. Let me lay it down right here where you see it. Press that little button in. It'll release the catch, and it just slips right out. Now you want to put it back, put another one back on, or the same one, or a different one. Put it right back in. Listen. Here, snap. It's back in now. That's how you change the watch band. Now I've got some watch bands here. I'm going to put another one on here in a few minutes. We'll show you again, okay? All right, told you I was going to change the watch band. I'm not too fond of the white color one, so once again, push that little button right there. That comes off. Take this one, slip it right in that little slot. There it goes. Here, click. Same way with this one. Push that little button right there. That one comes off. This one goes in right there in that little slot. Here, click. It's on. All right. There's the black watch. Now, the watch case. You see 2 buttonholes here and 1 here. They go on just like this. 2 here and 1 there. What you're going to do is just pop that little guy right down on there like that. Now, this case came with screensavers and all kinds of stuff, but my watch already has a screensaver, so the person already put one on. So there it is. It's on. We may start wearing this here in just a few minutes, see what it does, all right? All right, we're going to change the watch face on it here. Tap on the watch and you can see the one we have there is this one. Now this is in the Wearables app where it says watch faces right there. Come over here, we can say change to that one, just press it. See, it changed it over. Look at that. Now if you want to customize it, you can change the background colors, change the font colors. You can add and subtract things here. We got it with, it already had battery, date, steps, temperature. I like that, so I think cancel that. Let's go back to this one. All right. We got that one on now. We got that one on, so if we want to customize this one and say different colors of the dial, style, there's two colors for that. Color of, just colors for the background, I guess. Now we want to add, we got date on there. We could add, let's see, how about battery? See right there? Save it. See how it put the battery on there? Customize it. Go over here to complication and tell it other things we want to put on there. We want to put the date on there. We'll save that. See, it put back to the date. Now this one looks like it'll only take one thing on there. So what we're going to do is go back to this one now. Look at there. You see how that one's got battery, 81%. The date's 3/6 Friday. Whoop. I got 524 steps, and there's the weather, 81 degrees. All right. So that's how you change it here. If you want to, you can say, hold down the finger on there, and you can change here again. See how it changes it? Hold it down for a couple seconds, change it back. But I like it with the app because you can customize and do things like that with it. All right, well, that's how you change your watch faces. Now, that is the face of the watch it came with. You can change that if you want to. I'm going to show you how to turn it off. If you're not going to run it for a while, use it, wear it, whatever, then you can turn this thing off by pulling down from the top right here. Right there. See that little button right there in the middle? Push that. Comes up right there. Push the button again. It'll turn it off. Did I push it? Maybe I didn't push it. There we go. You got to push a little button and it'll go off. All right, there you go. Now we'll show you how to change the watch faces here in a minute, okay? Hey, we want to thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss any. Got a lot more of these up there. Go check out the playlist and leave us a comment. Tell us what you think, what you want to see. And check out the description below for the links to Amazon. You'll find a lot of things we make videos on, links there. Go check them out. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and see you next time.